Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a new technique of oil pastel. So today using oil pastel I'll make a 3D painting. So here I have taken my paper and I am sealing the borders. Now I have taken an oil pastel color and I'm breaking it with the help of a palette knife. Nicely break it and start mixing it. This oil pastel colors have oil mixed in it, so it will be softened while mixing with the palette knife. So you can see my color has been softened and I have made lots of different types of colors. So now I shall start painting. So I'm simply using a pastel color and I'll use it directly at first. Then I shall use the paste of the oil pastel colors. I am using different shades and mixing them together very well. After applying the colors, I'll use the paste of the oil pastel colors directly with the help of a palette knife. So here I am applying the light blue shade with the help of this palette knife. And I'm just mixing the colors. I have taken a stencil of the moon shape and I'm using the yellow color to make the moon. After removing, you can see that I have a very nice 3D moon. Now I am using this different palette knife and I'm applying the colors to make nice flowers. Now with the help of the white oil pastel color, I'm making some clouds. Now I will be using the yellow color, the same yellow color that I have used for the moon. the tips. It was little bit messy, but the results are very nice, as I did it for the first time, so I kept it very simple. So in the next video you can see some more experiments in this form of oil pastel color. Now I shall fix it with the fixative spray. This will protect the colors from further damage. If the video was helpful, don't forget to press the like button. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.